Breakdown.
The car broke down on the way home.
Bring up.
She brought up an interesting point during the meeting.
Call off.
They called off the event due to rain.
Carry on.
He carried on with his work despite the noise.
Check in.
We checked in at the hotel around noon.
Check out.
Don't forget to check out before you leave.
Clean up.
They cleaned up the kitchen after dinner.
Come across.
I came across an old friend at the store.
Come back.
Came back to pick up his forgotten jacket.
Come in.
Please come in and take a seat.
Come over.
She came over to our house for dinner.
Cut down.
We need to cut down on sugar.
Dress up.
The kids dressed up for Halloween.
Drop off.
He dropped off the package at the post office.
Cut off.
The phone call was cut off unexpectedly.
Eat out.
They decided to eat out at a restaurant.
Fill out.
Please fill out this form.
Find out.
She found out the answer to the puzzle.
Get along.
They get along well with each other.
Get back.
He got back from his trip yesterday.
Get in.
She got in the car and drove away.
Get off.
They got off the bus at the next stop.
Get on.
He got on the train just in time.
Get up.
She got up early in the morning.
Give up.
He decided to give up smoking.
Go back.
They went back to the store to return the item.
Go on.
Please go on with your story.
Go out.
They went out for a walk in the evening.
Grow up.
She grew up in a small town.
Hang out.
They like to hang out at the mall.
Hang up.
He hung up the phone after the conversation.
Hold on.
Please hold on while I transfer your call.
Keep on.
She kept on talking despite the interruption.
Let down.
He felt let down by his friend's actions.
Look after.
She looks after her younger brother.
Look for.
They are looking for a new apartment.
Look forward to.
She looks forward to her vacation.
Look up.
He looked up the information online.
Make up.
They made up after the argument.
Pass out.
He passed out from exhaustion.
Pick up.
She picked up the kids from school.
Put off.
They decided to put off the meeting until tomorrow.
Put on.
He put on his coat before leaving.
Run into.
She ran into an old friend at the store.
Run out.
They ran out of milk and had to buy more.
Set up.
He set up the new computer.
Show up.
She showed up late to the party.
Sit down.
Please sit down and relax.
Stand up.
He stood up to give his speech.
Take off.
He stood up to give his speech.
Take out.
She took out the trash before bed.
Take care of.
She threw away the old magazines.
Warm up.
She warmed up before the exercise class.
Write down.
She takes care of her elderly parents.
Wake up.
He woke up early in the morning.
Turn off.
They turned off the lights before leaving.
Turn on.
She turned on the TV to watch her favorite show.
Use up.
They used up all the flour for baking.